Want to see how I made these adorable trolls-inspired tie-dye t-shirts? Well, you gotta watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, do what you do. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and today I am going to show you how to make really cool swirling style tie-dye shirts using our Poppy from Trolls, the new Trolls World Tour that premieres today as a muse. So let's get started. Thank you so much to Yulu for sending this to us for free. You can find them in stores at Target now. Parents, if you're looking for something to do that is virtually mess-free and totally fun, then check out the new Swirl and Style Tie-Dye Studio. Let's get started. Before we begin, we have to fill up each of these containers with the dye. So what you have to do is create a dye funnel using this paper diagram over here. A pair of scissors, just cut it out and secure it with a piece of tape. Your workspace is covered, your funnel is made. Now you're gonna put on gloves. They include gloves in each of the kits, which is really super helpful, but theirs are kind of small, so I am using my own. We're gonna take each of the dye colors and cut one open really carefully and fill it. And then you fill it with water to the fill line. Just want to let you guys know, I don't know what I did with one of my nozzles for my bottles. So if you see that it's missing one, that's because I constantly misplace things while I do videos. Okay, let's continue. I'm still going to create awesome t-shirts. Don't you worry. Make sure you rinse off and keep your shirt nice and damp. It's easy to work with. So I'm going to try to make Poppy's signature hair. Let's see if we can do it. Now, I got some paint dots over here. That's no big deal. We're gonna get it tie-dyed anyway, and they look really cool. Take a washable marker, or if you have an invisible ink marker, even better. You're going to design one side of this, and it's gonna look like the troll hair. Now, we're going to fold along the line. Hopefully this technique works. Start at the top so you can have a nice point. So you're just gonna basically fold along the line and keep a straight line. So you're bunching it into a straight line. Make sure you manipulate the shirt in the direction you need to go to continue that line. You see how it's a straight line? Looks like one continuous line. That's what you want. This technique that I'm using is something that crafters use or tie-dye artists use when they're trying to create like a heart. So basically this mimicking of images, you just draw the one half and then fold the shirt to manipulate it to be one consistent line is not something new. I just thought I'd try it with the troll's hair. For trolls, of course. Your design is nice and lined up. You can now secure it with a rubber band, make it tight and make sure it's around the actual design. I put it like above the design because I wanted to see if I could actually create her body as well. And you have to see the way this turned out. I think it came out pretty cool. Stay tuned to the end. When you're done with your center design, which you don't even have to do, I'm just totally being extra right now, don't forget to swirl the other parts of your shirt and secure them with the included rubber bands. If you run out of rubber bands, you can use regular office rubber bands. That will do, or even if you have some white cord, white string to tie it up. Totally fine. Make sure it's nice and secure and then drop it in the orb. Why I love the swirling style is because it's really just mess free. You wear these gloves and you don't get any of the tie-dye dye on your hands. It's easy to come off, but it is annoying when your fingers just turn like all different colors. So what's great about it is that everything is self-contained inside this orb. So once you place the garment inside, you're basically putting that nozzle inside one of the holes that are self-sealing. Drop it in, squeeze some dye in, and don't put too much because less is more. I found myself squeezing too hard and I'm wasting the dye because it's just sitting in there. And when you swirl it around, the dye drips on other parts and it really ruins your design. So be liberal, but be careful. When you remove the nozzle from the valve, make sure you pull it out gently. You don't want to pull it out too hard, otherwise the dye will squirt all over the outside of the orb, and you really want to keep your area nice and neat. If you do get some dye on any surfaces or on your hands, it just comes off very, very easily with some soap and water. The dye really doesn't take effect until it's like really sitting for 6 to 8 hours. So once you see a spill, clean it up right away. You could leave it in the orb for 6 to 8 hours, or if you want to make another shirt, just put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna wash this out, and then we're gonna make one more shirt featuring Branch. We have all the poppy colors. We have some red in there to take care of her hair, purple, green and blue for her dress and her headband, some yellow and orange for the other parts of her dress. So hopefully the troll hair comes out. Just in case my troll hair idea doesn't work, I'm just gonna make a heart for the branch inspired shirt. Same idea. We're going to fold it neatly, fold it in half, and measure from the collar down to the middle. Use a washable marker. It has to say washable, or use disappearing ink, and make 1/2 of your heart. Now that my branch inspired shirt is all done being designed, I'm gonna remove it, put it in a Ziploc bag. Then I'm going to wait 6 to 8 hours, wash it, and then the big reveal. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much to Yulu for sending us the swirl in style. This was such a fun project. I cannot wait to make more.